Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow.
Today's topic is how to ask for directions politely.
Right, when you travel, it's normal to get a little lost.
Yeah, especially in big cities.
Exactly. So today we'll learn how to ask for directions, the polite and natural way.
Great, let's get started. So, Paul, how do I start when I need to ask someone for directions?
First, always start with a polite phrase. You can say, "Excuse me," or "Sorry to bother you."
Ah, like when I stop someone on the street.
Exactly. Then you can ask, "Could you tell me how to get to the train station?"
That sounds polite.
Yes, or you can say, "Do you know where the nearest convenience store is?"
That's easy and useful.
You can also ask, "Is this the way to the museum?" Short and clear.
Okay, but what if I don't understand the answer?
Great question. You can say, "Sorry, could you say that again, please?"
Or could you repeat that, please?
Exactly. And if they speak too fast, try, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Oh, I like that one. Sounds very natural.
You can also ask, "Can you show me on the map?" Or, "Is it far from here?"
Those are perfect when you're traveling with your phone.
After they help you, don't forget to thank them.
Of course, I can say, "Thank you so much for your help."
Perfect. Or, "I really appreciate it."
And maybe smile. Always polite.
Exactly. A smile makes your English even better.
So today we learned how to ask for directions, how to ask again, and how to thank politely.
That's right. Practice these phrases and you'll never feel lost again.
Thanks for listening to English Flow with Paul and Nick.
Don't forget to subscribe and like for more easy English every week.
Keep your English flowing. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.